Backend versus frontend.
Thanks for joining in on this video. When you enter your webpage using the information we send you, it will take you to a site called Backend. If for some reason you are experiencing issues, try to enter the site using the password that we emailed you. Please contact us so that we can fix that. Backend is when you can make modifications to your webpage, which is also known as the administration homepage. Frontend is the version of your webpage that visitors will be able to see. First, we will look at how to modify the backend using the theme. The theme is used to edit your website's header and footer. There are thousands of themes that you can install to create a more functional design for your webpage. Here, we teach you how to install a theme called Astra. Follow the following steps. Step number 1. Enter the WordPress administration homepage. Click on Appearance and select Theme. Number 2. Now you're on the page where it shows the themes that are already installed. Click on Add New button that appears on the top of the screen. Number 3. This section shows you all of the options available to choose from for your theme. For this specific example, we are using Astra. But whenever you want, you can come back to this section and look for other themes. Click on the box on the right. Install and activate. To start modifying your theme, click on Appearance and then click on Customize. In the General section, you can change your logo. Tip: you can easily make a logo using canva.com by creating a free account. You just need an email account. You can modify the fonts, colors, and design of your logo on Canva. Once you're satisfied with your logo, you can download the file as a JPEG and upload it to your webpage on WordPress. Remember that on the backend, you can click on Appearance to modify the header and footer. Lastly, we will add Elementor. Elementor is a tool used to visually change the format of a webpage. Follow the following steps to add Elementor. Number 1. Remember to start on the backend by left-clicking on the box. Number 2. Go to where it says Plugins and then click on Add New. Important note: a plugin is a piece of software containing a group of functions that can be added to a WordPress website. They allow us to do various functions such as creating an online store, adding an e-commerce store, and a contact form to your website. Today we will only install plugins for Elementor. Number 3. Look for Elementor in the box on the right hand side. Click on Install, wait a moment, and then click on Activate. Number 4. When you have successfully installed Elementor, return to your backend page, look for the page that says Home, and click on it. First, we will modify the home webpage. On your right hand side, look for a page attribute. Then select Elementor full width and then click on the Update button to save all of your changes. Now, click on the big button that says Edit with Elementor. This will open up a new window that will graphically change the entire interface. We will see a sidebar with a multitude of widgets. We can also add these widgets to the center of the website area. In the center part, we can see an Add Template button if we would like to use one that is already made. In the template window, there are many options to choose from, but the ones labeled as Pro are not free. However, you can use all the free options, just click Install. Once the template is fully loaded, it is very simple to modify and make changes. If you double click on any text, you can change it. You are free to touch any button you like because there is an option to undo your changes in case you make any mistakes. Don't forget to click Update to save all of your changes so that they appear on your website. Editing and making changes are what take up the most time, so it will take you quite a bit of time to update your webpage. We will leave you links where you can learn to make more advanced options for your page, like how to make a model version of your page. Enjoy this process and take your time, because the user with the most well-edited page will receive a great prize. Congratulations! You have reached a new goal. Keep editing your website as it will be checked before receiving any prizes.